everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 25 of the 30-day 100 rep challenge. Today we're doing something for the back of the legs. We're doing Romanian deadlifts or stiff deadlifts. We need our dumbbells. I have my 2 kilo each because we need to do 100 reps. Keep that in mind. So, feet hip-width distance apart. There is a micro bend in the knee, and from here we are pressing hips back, keeping the back straight and squeezing glutes at the top. 100 reps. Off we go. Ten. 20. 30. 40. 50. Okay, take your time. We have to do 50 more. Let's go. And $60. 70. 8. Last 20. 90. Last 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. That was amazing. Thank you so much for joining me. Day 25 is in the books. Go enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment below, and share this awesome challenge with your family and friends. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.